So we've been talking a lot about what it's going to take for the enterprise to adopt cloud infrastructure. So just got out with a couple of companies talking about doing private clouds for the enterprise, how we can recreate the cloud within the enterprise environment. We think that's an oxymoron. The cloud is the internet. The real issue is how do we make the public cloud really enterprise class. And we've seen that highlighted over the last few days with some things going on in the cloud that shows why the enterprise isn't adopting the cloud and what needs to get fixed, both around support, security, and then the ability to interconnect and build hybrid environments that allow them to use their existing infrastructure and the cloud together. The support issues has just really come to fore lately. Community-based support is a great way to interact with your customers. If I need to configure my iPhone or figure out how to use Google, I can just do a search and figure it out. But we just saw for the last day and a half a group of cloud users' entire email systems be out because they had no way to actually call and tell their cloud provider that wasn't working. And the community forums would say, we saw that as individual problems, there was no human involvement. And when enterprises adopt, they want to be able to talk to someone and say, is my problem getting resolved in the cloud environments? The security issues and other huge sets of security issues. When we talk about sophisticated things like integrating with your existing directory structure, the real issues around security, we don't even get to that level. I mean, the idea that all cloud users are individuals that sign on as a single user and share the same usernames and passwords has gotten ridiculous. We have people logging on the cloud and it can destroy the entire cloud environment because it's a shared username and password. They can spend unlimited sums of money like my 12-year-old does when I give her text on cloud environments with no controls. We even have the capabilities in certain cloud environments for people to use the username and password to buy a big screen TV and an Xbox. Those things have to really get locked down before the enterprise is going to use it. And finally, we need to understand that enterprise users aren't going to throw away everything they have right now. How do they, once they get comfortable with security and support in the cloud, how are they going to integrate that with their existing environments? How do we link them back so they truly know that the users they have in their corporate environment are the same users they have in the cloud environment, that the networks they use in their corporate environment link seamlessly into the network environments out in the cloud? If we can resolve those issues around support, security, and building hybrid environments, I think you're going to see the enterprise run to using the cloud.